What an odd place for a mall. It's right by a neighborhood. This is very interesting. There's actually another entrance for the mall. We're gonna go down this entrance. Let's go. Okay. Let's go in. Kind of blank. So this is, oh. Well, first alarm on the spot. We lock in S. Interesting. See a speaker, and there's also one over there, and I see a spectre alert. Okay. You know, this kind of resembles Gulfview Square Mall in a way as well. A bunch of memories, I know that. Look at that. Cool. Wow. This is a very, very cool mall. Look at this. Oh, look at that. Spectral on the pole. It's footprint mount. Oh my god. That is my first time ever seeing footprint mount Spectre Alert Classics in a mall. Or anywhere in a public building. There's another one. There's one. Look at that. There's another one over here. Look at that. I see a Spectral Alert Advanced remote strobe. This is kind of odd. They're all really remote strobes. I'm not gonna lie, this is an odd mall, but it's pretty cool. There's one right there. And there's that. Look at this. There's a Spectre Alert. Why are they all remote strobes? That is bizarre. There's a speaker. And there's another one over here. They go all around. Oh, and there's two on this side. We're gonna go this way. And there's a partial fire alarm fail. That ain't good. That's not all that well. And then there's another one right there. I'm not gonna lie, this is actually a quite nice mall. So this is actually a pretty interesting mall, to say the least. I'll go in the JCPenney and Dillard's in a little bit. There's another one. Moving along. And there's one. Oh, I thought that was a footprint. It's a SR. One blocked by a tree. Is that an NH? Is that a Wheelock NH? Oh, it is. That's cool. There's a Wheelock NH up there. Okay, I'm getting in the hot zone now. There's people everywhere now in here. We still got a long ways to go. There's a carousel over there. Pretty interesting. There's one of those. Oh, there's a SR. Well, this is bizarre. I'll do the food court after this. There's a Starbucks coffee. There's a Starbucks over here. Oh, closed as well. And there's another one. Never seen anything like this before. Time to go to the food court now. Another SR. And there's a... Oh, Hornstrobe. For once, a Hornstrobe. It's a B trophy from MC. Okay, I'm around the food court. So, there's another one of those. And another remote strobe. I'm gonna go to the restrooms and see what's in there. I see an NS over here. There's one. And this is a pretty nice mall. Alright, I'm gonna go in the restrooms and see what the alarms are in here. Uncommon exit sign, looks like. Oh, look at that. Looks like the food court has Wheelock NS's. Or NS4s. Really depends. Oh, they're closed. I was gonna have some Chick-fil-A today. Oh well. Now I'm gonna go over here. This used to be a movie theater, and I was reading up about this mall really quick, and sadly this movie theater went down. So this is a pretty nice system. It's a mixed Wheelock and system sensor system, but a very odd but really nice system and mall. Alright, we're headed out. So that's the food court. It's mainly Wheelock. Very interesting though. Okay. Alright. Back over here now. So here we go. Okay. There's another footprint mount. There's another one. They're everywhere. They're on poles though, which is interesting. So this is a relatively cool system. There's another one. There's the Express. Another one. Again. They're all remote strobes. I wonder if I'm going to see a horn strobe in here. I mean, maybe, but it's odd that they're mainly just remote strobes. I would have thought at least one horn strobe. So, I've seen videos of others videotaping this mall before, and I actually saw a part of the system, so pretty interesting to say the least. Oh wow, look at that. It's pretty cool. This is interesting. Alright, this is the last of it. So, alright. Oh, there's a Spectral over there. Spectral Classic. Hope it's a horn strobe, because I've only saw one horn strobe in this building of a Spectral or Classic, and this might be the last footprint mount. So, yep. Wow. Macy's. Oh, and it's a remote strobe, of course. Oh, and there's another NS. So, I'm gonna go to the NS really quick and then record that Spectral alert. Pretty interesting mall. So, alright. Last fire alarm in the main mall. And that is this. And then I gotta go in the little stores. All the tabs are broken off. Interesting. I'm in the candy barrel. And there's an NS right there. Alright, we're now going into the Macy's. Oh, look what I just found. I found this. Alright, there's a exit sign. This is a Macy's. So I'm in a Macy's right now. I rarely go in Macy's, because most malls don't have Macy's for me. But here I am now. Okay, there's another one over there. There's an exit sign. Oh, there's that. Oh, there's that. Oh, and look at that. There's one of these over here. I'm gonna go to the Dillard's next, or JCPenney. There's a Wheelock AS. Look at this, dude. There's an ESC Genesis. There's something cool over in here. Alright. I'm in this store. Alright, we're going to JCPenney. Oh, look at that. Alright, the final store. Dillard's. Oh, look at that. A horn shrub in here. Cool. Look at this. Oh. That's cool. Oh, and then there's a remote strobe. Oh, that's a horn strobe. Never mind. There's a Spectral Advance, but there's a speaker. That's a horn strobe. P2R, I guess. Or a P4R. Wow. This is nice. Look at that. There's a remote strobe over there. Oh, there's that one. There's another. There's that. Oh, yeah, that's rare. And there's another. Haha. Oh, there's a Spectral alert over here. There's a Spectral alert. There's one. There's one. Oh, there's another. I didn't even see it. Wow. God, they're everywhere. That one is on a glass pane mirror. It's actually pretty cool looking. There's two over here. And here's one of the... Oh, there's one over there too. There it is. I'll go catch it in a minute. There it is. There's that. And there's one of them over there. And there's the last one, but now we got a second floor to go to. So, let's go. Here we go. Schindler. Okay, here we are on the second floor, and I already see some over here. Okay, here's the hot spot. They're everywhere, so I gotta go fast because my battery is about to die. But after this, we're gonna be leaving. But this was an amazing discovery. This is a huge system. Never seen anything like it before, so. Oh, and look at that. And look at this elevator. Oh, that's cool. Golfy Scrummel has one of these. Oh, and look at that. That's cool. And there's another one. There's another one. And there's a couple over here. So, there it is. There it is. Okay. Okay, I'm almost done. There are a lot of first gens. And then there's that one. There's an exit sign and a spectral right there. Oh. There's that. There's that. And then there's this over here. So then, there's an exit sign. And that. There's that. And here's this. Alright. I'm about done, so it's time for me to head out.